Question 3, answer the question on your sheet, box final answer. Again, quick reminder, these instructions come from Google Classroom. Hopefully when you were completing the test, you opened up a tab for this. At least that's what I reminded in class. Now the instructions on question 3 in Delta Math say the graph of the function is shown on the coordinate plane below. Identify the rate of change in the function. So literally, all you have to do are to come up with points. This would be a point, this would be a point, this would be a point. We got a lot of points going on here. So here's the deal. I'm going to capture this to my whiteboard just so I can clearly show what's going to happen. You don't have to copy this graph on your test. Notice the instructions. Simply say answer the question. So when we're given a graph, the quickest way to find a slope is just to come up with 2 points. So honestly, I would use this point and this point right here. But just for a review of how to select proper points that are easy to work with, is notice how it goes up 2, right 1, and then it goes up 2, right 1 again. So you actually have a multitude of points that you can choose from. And then I just want to go ahead and remind you, kind of like I did in the earlier video, that if you choose the points that are closest together, that's going to give you your reduced slope. So notice in this problem, all I had to do was just visually go up 2, right 1. You don't have to write this 2 over 1 right here, because really, to answer the question, I'm just going to write m equals 2 over 1, which really simplifies to just 2. So this actually is my answer, which I can box that. But just to make sure we have a good review of what's going on, I could go ahead instead, and I could go ahead and pick, I don't know, let's say this point right here. I'm just going to switch over to blue just to show this. So I could travel from this point on the left to the point on the right. And if I switch over to blue, notice I go up a lot more than 2, but then I'm still going to the right. So let's just see how it corresponds. So let's see, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. And then I go to the right 1, 2, 3 units. So if I had done it in blue, my m is equal to 6 over 3. But notice that 6 over 3 still reduces to 2. So again, all you need are 2 points, and all you need to write is m equals whatever you get for your slope. And that's it. All right, as always, let's get some feedback. Feel pretty good about this. My slope is going to be 2. We got it. Good job.